Okay, wait. Wait, where are you?
Spawn nga.
What's
Kasama
spawn?
ko sa mga PP.
Okay. ABC to join high school RP. Wait, I'm a
Are you guys our kasi?
ABG.
ABC, what up?
ABC to adopt me? Okay, I'm gonna. Okay.
ABC to adopt me?
The busy man. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, here. Yo, come here. See? A, B. Is this how you do it?
Dude!
I don't know the alphabet.
Dude!
Is it like this?
AC!
What?
I really want to slap you right now.
Fine. What? Wrong. Sorry. A, B, C? A, B, C. Fringe
Hey!
be like.
Leave me alone!
Okay, I'm gonna go to the, Wait. Gonna go back. Yeah, just continue being a student.
Girl, what are you? Where are you? Did you left?
Yeah.
You just gonna play just to impress?
Nah, I think like
Bro, that game's cringe.
I think that's Keanu playing that game.
Bro, he's a male. Why does a male playing a girl's game? Because they're gay. Wait, I'm gonna go to the
What
class.
am I watching, bro? Look what am I watching, bro?
Where's that?
Oh my god, someone's with
Wait, someone's online dating?
Matagal na?
I'm a report.
Wag.
Why? It's illegal. So it's the person's name Cinnamoroll. Bye. Yo, are you at the school? Are you at the school, bro? Yeah, are you a cat, bro? This girl, my dog is a cat, bro. Brookhaven School with the Dogecoin. Yo, are you... What class is first? Wait, let's go with math class. I'm gonna wait. Bro, are you at the game now? Are you at the... Yeah. Are you at the school now? Fire!
Hello. Why? I can't answer that one, Ami.
Huh?
Nothing.
Takoyami?
Takoyaki.
Yo, are you at the school?
Nope.
Hurry up.
Later. more like 6 dots.
Okay,
I'm going to sell the house. That's good. I do this. Those circles as our food.
bruh.
Side of music.
Yo, I'm just gonna wait, okay? Welcome to Raleigh's Crank House. You're off to great places. Me too. Everyone's favorite subject is math, and I don't care about anything. Just kidding. This is gymnastics. Hello, can anyone hear me? This is gymnastics. If I fall, I'm gonna, lose. Ah! This game is so bad. It's 1 a.m. Let's go. Bruh. Why?
Dude, did you remember this house?
What?
Yeah. Why?
No one likes this house anymore.
I know.
Almost everyone used to love that house. Every update has an update. Do you get it?
I'm gonna change this later. I don't have to know.
Do, Mickey, do. Home of the Doge. Yo, be a student.
She joined?
Yeah.
No, they took her
Oh. No, that's why.
Adopt me.
Yeah, those people. Please adopt me. ABC to adopt me is cringe. I'm gonna be your teacher at math. Okay, go to the school at 6 a.m. Oh shoot. Why am I so
Dreaming, falling out of a building. Boboy. Boboy.
Who's this? Yeah, no, don't come here. I am just guarding this place. I'm a night guard, okay?
Nami!
Days everyone's favorite subject, math. Math. Bro, why do you have great balance? And get out of this school or I will. Oh. Just get out of this.
Oh my god.
Yo,
My
someone.
TF. Huh? What?
Someone is literally not going out. Who is
Sino?
this?
Sige.
That girl over
I
there.
think that's Lily.
Yo, who are you? I'm gonna kill you. Good.
Dude, like seriously. Ew, like what the freak? Oh my god.
Do you like my art? It's so good. Bruh. Okay, do this. Right now. Just do this right now, okay? Okay, bye.
It's only 6 already.
Yo, it's 6. Go to... First class is math class.
Bruh.
Okay? I'm waiting.
Yeah.
No! The PCs. Wait, where's the other students? I thought I think the teacher's is wrong. I forgot I'm bald. The new teacher. Is everyone here? Is everyone here? Is everyone here?
Dude.
One. 1 plus 1. Twin PC head. PC guy. PC guy. Okay. Sit down.
Wait.
Or else you be bald. Sit down or else you will be bald.
I'm just gonna make some notes.
Are you the teacher?
What else?
I am the teacher. I am the teacher.
One billion.
Gee. Ohio. Ohio. What store? teacher? Recess time. Okay. Next.
Shut up. Leave me alone.
Okay. You're the English teacher. I'm going.
Great place. It's the day if you're in
science, so the science teacher. I'll be a science teacher.
My cat. No.
My.
My.
Ate will be the English teacher, so I'll be the science teacher.
I'm gonna be the math teacher because 1 plus 1. That's what I only know. Oi. The teacher is bald. The teacher who wrote that?
Samuel, look at the English room.
Who wrote that? The teacher is bald. My eraser is Gyat.
Mister.
Mr. Eraser. Oh, this is how you do it. I am drowning. I'm endangered. Wait, who's gonna be the gymnastics class?
Me.
What you mean?
Ako.
What you mean?
All of us.
I'm gonna be your basketball teacher.
I'll be
Your mom teacher.
your dance teacher.
You know what? I'm gonna be the principal.
I'm swimming, including the layout. Excuse me, miss. May I see your panties?
Bro, where did you get that?
Bruh. Excuse me, miss.
Shut up.